XRP, die Kryptowährung für das neue Finanzsystem, wird Gold mit $10.000 pro Unze und mehr der neue Standard, könnte folgendes Interview mit Black Swan Capitalist ein weiterer klarer Hinweis sein, dass wir kurz vor dem großen Finanzreset sind. Folgendes Interview mit Black Swan Capitalist habe ich mit nicht wenig Aufwand für euch auf Deutsch übersetzt, damit ihr die kommende Revolution des neuen Finanzzeitalters etwas mehr durchschaut. Und bevor ich das Video abspiele, hier meine Gedanken zur kommenden Transformation. Alle Vermögen, Gelder und Assets kommen auf die Blockchain. Sie werden tokenisiert. Ein neuer Standard, wie wir es bis jetzt vom US-Petrodollar kennen, wird oder ist schon definiert. Gold wird neu gewertet und muss einen wesentlich höheren inneren Wert haben als die heutigen knapp $2.000. Die Frage für uns stellt sich, was wird der neue Standard, die neue Basis? Wird XRP ein Stablecoin, der auf der Basis von Gold Stabilität erhält? Reflektiert Gold bald einmal einen Bitcoin-Wert oder Bitcoin zu Gold bewertet? Nun, die Antworten dafür werden möglicherweise diesen November 2023, wenn der neue ISO 20022 Standard zum Teil aktiviert wird, klarer werden.
Some comment here that says that central banks are buying gold at an all-time high, and he's asking why isn't the price of gold moving up substantially? Perhaps you are the best one to answer this one.
Okay, yes, absolutely. So the price of gold is 100% manipulated, even the COMEX. Silver prices go, palladium, they've been manipulating the precious metals market since Nixon took it off the gold standard, okay? In order so that the institutions can print as much money as they want. And by doing that, what they've essentially done is built the military-industrial complex and completely devalued the currency. But the gold price is manipulated so that way they can continue to collect as much as they can throughout the whole world while still making profit on the COMEX as well and playing the markets. But the whole thing is 100%. I'm not even kidding. It's rigged, guys. Even the stock market is rigged, okay? And some people even are suggesting that the crypto market is rigged too. And we've seen that with FTX and some of the other stuff. So, you know, the evidence is in the pudding, man. It's out there. But the precious metals market, what they're doing right now is Bank of International Settlements, as you know, people already know this, it's fact. They've reclassified it from a tier 3 asset class, which is high risk, to a tier 1 asset class, which is zero risk, guys. That should have been on world news. But if that was on world news, everyone would start buying gold and dumping dollars right there and then. But people don't read, they don't follow up with this stuff, so everyone missed it. However, people like me and some other individuals out there, we hopped on it real fast. But the price of gold is manipulated. Now, when they're ready, and they will be soon, and this ties back into what our first co-host said in the beginning. He said that there was an intersection between blockchain and precious metals or commodities. And I agree with him entirely. He's absolutely right. So they're going to reset the price of these very soon. And that all, the price of gold, what is it going to be at, right? In my humble opinion, I believe that price of gold, an ounce, could be over $10,000. And that's a bit exaggerated, I get it, okay? But it will gradually start working its way to $3,000 to $4,000. And that's going to be a result of systemic risk as a result from the debt market. And that's kind of what I said in the beginning. All of this shit is going to start in the debt market, 100%, guys. Because the debt market is the only thing America produces, debt, all over the world. Once that shit goes down, the whole thing is going to reflect on the global economy. And then the price of metals is going to go through the roof. It's going to have to. And another thing also, all that money and treasuries all around the world, it's going to be looking for a place to sit under. So visualize the physical amount of metric tons of gold, okay? And taking all that money on derivatives, stocks, whatever, okay? And putting it under a few hundred ounces of precious metals. The price would go through the roof. And the whole idea about Zimbabwe having about $12 trillion of gold, that's bullshit. They did that to manipulate the price of gold, and gold went back down. So they're playing games, guys, I'm telling you. Physical assets, gold has been sought for thousands of years. It's the most important metal out there. It's used in all your phones, all your electricity. It's used in airplanes, jets, space programs, whatever. So gold is very essential.
Das Wichtigste ist, einen Überblick aus 10.000 Metern Höhe zu behalten und auf allen Ebenen mitzuspielen. Gut vorbereitet ist man wohl mit den physischen Edelmetallen wie Gold und Silber, Bitcoin, XRP und den 20022 Kryptos. Was denkt ihr? Macht es Sinn? Eure Kommentare, Likes und Abonnemente sind sehr geschätzt.
And what we're seeing in the world today, I think, is we are on the brink of a dramatic change where we are about to, and I'll say this boldly, we're about to abandon the traditional system of money and accounting and introduce a new one. And the new accounting is what we call blockchain, blockchain, blockchain,